You look so nice in this picture. What a nice looking man. I'm squished the head.
Oh, I'm gonna look. Where did I go?
So we're back again today with the Project E36. Today we're going to be taking it to the weigh station. It's about 7 miles away. We're going to be weighing the car, and then we're going to be doing our weight reduction on it. Right now Jonathan's replacing the front badge. His 3 Series that he just recently got rid of had a nicer front badge on it, so we're pulling this one off and putting a new one on. We got Jonathan here. He'll be driving on the way there, and then I'll be driving on the way back. To drive the car, it feels pretty good for the most part. The shifter is pretty solid feeling. It actually feels like it's got a short shifter on it. The only thing we're fighting right now is some rough idles, but we won't be worrying about that today too much. We're going to have some fun since we've spent the last couple of days doing some more serious items on the car, such as the coolant and trying to chase down vacuum leaks. We're thinking the car weighs about 3,100 pounds, and we'd like to see about 400 to 500 pounds out of the car today, which sounds like a lot, but just the spare tire and a couple other items, that's right there's 100 pounds. So I think between the rear seats and the carpets and all this other fun stuff up here in the front, I think we can do about 400 pounds today. Windshield washer fluid, all that's coming out. I'm not sure if we'll do the heater core today. It kind of depends on how everybody's feeling. But the AC unit, which is working okay, that'll probably find its way out today as well. So we're here, we're about to get it weighed. We were just enjoying the AC in the car before we get it all ripped out. So we got 3060. We're pretty excited about that. When we looked it up, it said it was gonna be about 3075. And obviously this scale goes by 20s, but we were pushing on the car a little bit just to make sure that it wasn't, you know, oh, it needs just a couple extra pounds to hit 3080, but it took quite a bit of force. So we're thinking it's real close to that 3060. And then once we're done stripping it, we'll come back and weigh it again.
So we got RJ here. Yeah, I wasn't there for the weighing of the car. We're gonna start by gutting the interior and see how much we can get out of the interior, possibly the heater core, and then we're just gonna go from there. We did get the car finished, just completely gutted, and we're going to head back out and weigh the car again now that we have it completely gutted and compare the before and after.
So you may have noticed there's only one seat in the vehicle. Right now, we're gonna leave that seat out while we weigh it. We might put it back in just so we can have a passenger with us. For our weigh testing right now, we're gonna leave the seat out because the seats are pretty heavy, so we're thinking by the time we add the racing seats, 2 racing seats will be about what one seat would be. In my car, one of the original seats weighed 50 pounds, and both of these brids with all the mounting hardware weigh 52 pounds together. So that's why we've got just the one seat in there right now. So 2,600 even. We're super excited about that. That's 460 pounds off the vehicle. I was wanting 500, RJ guessed anywhere between 350 to 400. So it exceeded his goals. I was a little bit short by about 40 pounds, not a big deal. Jonathan didn't really give a guess, but 2,600 pounds for this car is awesome. We're not looking to do any power upgrades with this car, unfortunately, but the weight reduction is going to help out a lot. And then for autocross, we're going to be doing suspension and tires, so stick around.